Hey, I'm Emily from Cedar Hill Garden Consulting, and today we're going to talk about simple projects that you can do in your garden to just make it fun. What's the point if you're not having fun? I like to create these little areas and I call them nooks. And bonus tip, if you're trying to get kids interested in the garden, they are going to love these little nooks that we're going to create together. The first little nook that we're going to create is not really for ourselves, it's for our little bee friends, and we want to encourage them to come in. What I tell my clients is if you plant a flower called a salvia, you will have every bumblebee in the neighborhood on that thing within 5 minutes, and that's what we want. Salvias I love, cosmos I love, and zinnias are a great option. Who doesn't love Taco Tuesday? Am I right? How about Taco Tuesday in the garden? What I'm talking about is a little nook that you could create when you're figuring out, where am I going to put my plants? Oh, wait a minute, I can plant my tomatoes, my onions, my cilantro, maybe a jalapeno if you really like spicy salsa. Put those together when you go to plant your raised bed, and then they'll all be ready at the same time where you can take them into the kitchen and make your own homemade salsa. One thing I like to try with my clients is something we call plant a lot in a pot. It kind of sounds silly, but it's very effective, and it's a way to create a little nook of sorts, but in a container. What I like to do is plant something that climbs, like a sugar snap pea, on a trellis or an obelisk, and then surround it on the edges with something that water falls over, like your strawberries. Or if we're planting it in the summer, maybe we do cucumbers vining with nasturtiums around the edge, or oregano or thyme or something that spills over. I hope that gets your wheels turning and makes you think of things that you can plant a lot of in a pot yourself. If any of these projects sound fun to you, drop a comment below and let us know which one you're going to try. Or if you need more ideas, head on over to kellogggarden.com for more resources.